Mostly known for its smartphones and smart TVs, the Chinese technologies, and Xiaomi has now entered in the Indian PC market with its first set of Mi branded notebooks. The company has introduced a total of 5 notebooks under two series, the Mi Notebook 14 and the Mi Notebook Horizon Edition. The Mi Notebook 14 series includes 3 machines and the price starts at Rs 41,999. As for the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition, the premium notebooks target powered users and content creators and comes at a starting price of Rs 54,999 for the base variant. The company sent out the flagship Mi Notebook 14 Horizon for review, which offers 512GB of SSD and is powered by the 10th gen Intel i7 Comet Lake chipset. It is priced at Rs 59,999. We have just started using the Xiaomi notebook and cannot wait to share our experience. So let's get started. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon has a clean and minimal design with premium finish that instantly catches your attention. And of course, it reminds you of the premium Apple MacBooks. The surface and chassis of the notebook is built using A5052 alloy, which is a blend of aluminium and magnesium and has a fairly high strength and good corrosion resistant rating. The alloy has also been given an anodized sandblasted coating to add aesthetics for smoothness. The notebook has a centrally aligned hinge which ensures high durability for the lid. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon measures 17.15mm in thickness and weighs 1.35 kgs, which makes it extremely convenient to carry around in a backpack. It has dimensions of 321.3mm by 206.8mm, making it slightly longer than an A4 paper sheet. It is indeed one of the most compact 14-inch notebook you can buy in the Indian market. Overall, Xiaomi has done a great job in designing the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon. It is super compact and looks premium from all nooks and corners. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition does not feature a built-in webcam. The company ships one in the package that you can plug and use for video conferencing. It's a neat solution, but I think some users are not going to like the fact that the premium notebook does not offer a built-in webcam for video conferencing. Moreover, there's no built-in biometric scanner on this premium notebook. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition flaunts a vibrant 14-inch antique layer display which is surrounded by narrow bezels on three sides, resulting in an impressive 91% screen-to-body ratio. The 16:9 aspect ratio panel has a conventional 60Hz refresh rate and maximum brightness intensity of 250 nits. The brightness levels are pretty adequate for indoor use, but we would have preferred slightly higher 300 nits at this price point. Notably, Apple has been offering MacBooks with panels scoring brightness of up to 400 nits. Nevertheless, the colors pop out really well on this 14-inch display and the hues seem pretty accurate. The matte finish coating and the expansive 178 degrees viewing angles ensure good content visibility from extreme corners. The video streamed on the 14-inch display looked immersive and crisp. If you prefer watching movies and series on your PC, you will simply love the 14-inch display on the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition. We are testing the top-end variant of the 14-inch notebook, which is powered by the 10th gen Intel Core i7 10510U CPU Comet Lake base and gets 8GB of DDR4 RAM. I am a bit surprised that the company has not offered 16GB RAM option, as these notebooks are not upgradable. We might get to see a 16GB RAM variant in future if the company plans to expand the series. The particular variant has 512GB of SSD and is one of the first Windows-powered notebooks in India which relies on NVIDIA MX350 graphic card. This is a fair amount of power to meet your daily PC requirements, and so far we have not come across any issues on this notebook. The Mi Notebook Horizon Edition uses the NVIDIA MX350 GPU, which can easily handle casual games and video editing software with no major performance issues. The notebook boots up in just 9 seconds and also features Mi Blaze Unlock, which allows you to unlock it by a Mi wearable device. You just need to bring the wearable closer and press any key on the keyboard to unlock the notebook. We will soon be testing the claims by playing Crysis and editing videos in Adobe Premiere Pro to see if there are any noticeable performance drops or not. As far as software is concerned, the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home Edition, and you get 30-day free trial for Microsoft Office 365 subscription. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition ships with a chiclet keypad with 1.3mm travel distance. The keys use the conventional scissor mechanism that allows them to travel a few millimeters down upon pressing. The keypad is laid out very well, and I found it extremely comfortable for long typing sessions. Sadly, it's not spill resistant, which means you have to be cautious while working on the notebook while you sip your coffee. Moreover, I was expecting the flagship notebook to ship with a backlit option, but the brand has skipped it too. The multi-touch trackpad offers enough real estate to comfortably navigate throughout the Windows UI. It is extremely responsive and works wonderfully. As far as connectivity ports are concerned, the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon ships with a Type-C port, two high-speed USB 3.1 ports, USB 2.0 port for compatibility, a 3.5mm audio jack, and an HDMI 1.4b port. Xiaomi hasn't included a SD card reader on the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition. The notebook comes packed with 2-watt stereo speakers, and the machine offers a DTS audio processing application to better customize the audio output. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition is backed by a 46 watt-hour battery unit which claims to offer a backup of up to 10 hours. The notebook ships with a 65-watt charger which claims to refuel the battery from 0 to 50% in just 35 minutes. So far, the battery life seems adequate and the machine is up and running for about 8 hours on one full charge. We will soon run our battery test to draw a conclusion on the battery performance of the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon. Xiaomi has kicked off the new product category in India with thin and light notebooks. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition is a promising Windows-powered machine that has been designed by keeping in mind the usability, display quality, and overall form factor. There are some noticeable features missing on the high-end notebooks such as an SD card reader and a biometric scanner. There is also no inbuilt webcam, but the company has compensated for the loss by offering a plug-and-use webcam in the packaging. Overall, it is too early to pass a judgment on the performance part of the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon, but the initial response has been positive and we are looking forward to test the notebook to its true potential. That being said, this was our unboxing and quick overview of the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition, the premium notebook from Xiaomi. Stay tuned for our comprehensive review of the notebook and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos in the world of technology.